now you've got your own company now. You guys focus on consulting for best practices in maintenance and reliability. What's the most common reason for people and businesses to come out and reach out to you and ReliabilityX?
I think there's two pieces to that, Ryan. One is asset management and reliability for the sake of asset management and reliability. So, people have a much better understanding at higher levels of the organization that maintaining their equipment is good for their bottom line. And I think there's a whole piece of reliability for the sake of the asset and what that does to the organization. The second piece, and what's really unique about ReliabilityX, is that we focus on what we call holistic reliability. So we kind of bridge the gap between operations and maintenance and focus on how, as a maintenance organization, and our understanding and our expertise at the manufacturing equipment level can bridge the gap to improve operations. And typically what happens is operations blames maintenance for all the downtime, but downtime is made up of an awful lot of things, and most of those are not parts breaking. Most of those are minor stops, bad materials going into the process. There's thousands of reasons why the machine stops, and only a few of those are because the part broke. And so maintenance gets blamed for all of that downtime. And what we focus on in holistic reliability is a true understanding of where the value losses are and how you go about regaining those.
Yeah, absolutely. People think of downtime again. I see it all the time that it's almost always the first thought that comes to mind is parts breaking, component breaks, but it doesn't encompass the other 99 problems that could have occurred.
Which make up about 85% to 95% of the actual issues that they're seeing every day.